Hi everyone, welcome on board to Helper.tv, where you get the reliable news that is tailored for you, and of course where you can actually comment and interact. Former lawmaker representing Kogi West Senatorial District at the National Assembly, Dino Melaye. This is a person that a lot of people have called the man of the people because he's kind of streetwise and he knows the tactics to play. Dino Melaye is not the man of nobody. He is the man of himself. He said that he would not sell his cars as some critics have demanded, disclosing that he is in fact praying for more wealth to buy additional vehicles and probably houses. Dino Melaye, in his love for the Kogi citizens or some Nigerians, gullible ones, that embrace the kind of drama that he presents online, they would have seen him as the man of the people, but I do not. Dino Melaye presents himself that way, but at the end of the day, the bulk of cash, the bulk of money for his constituency, and many other things comes to his pocket. How did Dino Melaye end up having so many luxurious automobiles? They cost millions of dollars. How did he get this? This cash from bribes from the executive to the Senate whenever they need to pass a bill? Is this money, this money that were supposed to be used for the citizens of Kogi State? What is really going on here? These are the questions that I believe a lot of you out there might want to get answers to. Dino Melaye presents himself on videos singing and taunting people, saying he needs more from God, when he knows that there are a lot of helpless people in his constituency that cannot even afford a tricycle, not to talk of those expensive automobiles. In a viral video, Melaye tells his critics that selling off his cars will not solve the problems of the country. We are not asking Dino Melaye to solve the problems of the country. No. What we are asking Dino Melaye to do is to sell off some of his cars, or if he doesn't want to sell it, good. Do something now that you are no longer a politician. It is time to show to people that you have empathy, that you are the man of the people. Maybe Dino Melaye might say that I've sent some people to school. Do you know what I'm doing? No. We need Dino Melaye to make a huge impact in his village. They say charity begins at home. Let Dino Melaye start from his village, his own town. That is what we are saying. For those who do not believe what I'm saying, let us quickly watch the video of Dino Melaye trying to buy his way out with some funny oratory. He said a lot of things there. Maybe you might want to embrace what he has said. I believe that a lot of people might embrace. Some that have ability to think deep will not. Watch.
Fellow countrymen and women, I'm here this morning to address some very myopic, porous, intellectually stagnant individuals who have been calling on me that Dino Melaye, sell all your cars, sell your houses and give to the poor, as if that will solve Nigerians' problem. There's been a lot of unnecessary commentaries and stupid talks. Sell all your cars, give it to the poor. Maybe that's only when I do that they will consider me a saint. But the truth of the matter is that if I sell everything I have, I'll become poor. And only the rich can deliver the poor. The poor cannot deliver the poor. And I've never claimed to be El Shaddai. I've never claimed to be Jehovah Jireh. I cannot solve everybody's problem. I'm doing the best I can within my limits to help as many as I can. But for my passion, I uphold it and I stand by it. And I want to say that I'm not an impulsive giver. I give as the Holy Spirit gives me utterance, and I'm doing my best. I'm going to sell any of my cars. I'm even praying for more wealth to buy more, because just like jewelries, diamonds, for occult blood, for some people homosexuals, for some people wristwatches, for some people bags, for some people shoes. Everyone has got his passion. And my passion is automobile. I have one on the seat that I'm expecting now. So if you think...
Welcome back. That is Dino Melaye, former lawmaker representing Kogi West Senatorial District at the National Assembly. He's no longer there, and now is gallivanting from one place to the other, showcasing houses, properties that he owns. You hear what he said? He said that selling off his cars is not going to solve Nigerian problem. Say the truth of the matter is that if I sell everything I have, I will become poor, and only the poor cannot deliver the poor. So he cannot sell and take off his own. Meaning, Dino Melaye is saying, I cannot give off my wealth because I will become poor. Being poor, we are not telling him to give up all of his wealth. Give a particular portion of your wealth to the people. Raise up people. We are not talking of you giving them bags of rice. That will not solve the problem. Raise up people in your village. Go to your village. Look at about 40 families and raise up young men and women in that family so that they can keep replicating it like a ripple effect. This is how things are done. We are not talking of you during COVID-19 bringing up bags of rice and tomatoes and showcasing that and trying to present that to people. That is not the way forward. What we are saying is, Dino Melaye, raise giants in your town, raise giants in your village. That is what is expected. But unfortunately, Dino Melaye will not do this. Dino Melaye will rather continue to, kind of make people believe that he has something to offer the people, whereas Dino Melaye has nothing to offer anybody. Dino Melaye is just bent on manipulating the people and acting like there is something that he has to give to people. I don't know what you guys think about this. If you think Dino Melaye has what it takes to make anybody great, I don't know. I've seen comment sections. I've seen some gullible people that buy into these lies and stupidity. I see them saying, forget it, Dino Melaye is a man of the people. And I tried as much as possible to see how Dino Melaye is the man of the people. How is this possible? How can he be the man of the people? Hear what he said. I will not sell all my cars. If I sell it, I'll be poor. But the cars are there. How is this car giving Dino Melaye money? We all know that these politicians have what they call solid assets, such as properties. He has it everywhere, all over the world. The car that he has there, many of these cars, after a while, they lose value. But let's say he bought a particular kind of car that might retain value after some years. But how is this car, these automobiles, how is this giving Dino Melaye money every month? He has so much money, and he felt that he needed to spend the money somewhere where to buy automobiles and do all of this pepper them thing. So a lot of comments are there as regards what he did. I don't know what you think. There are people that are also waiting. We call them the typical Nigerian. They are waiting for their own opportunity to get to that seat to do the same thing. So those are the kind of people that you hear. They will say, you people should leave Dino Melaye alone. He is only the senator. Some people have more money than him. When you hear some people have more money than him, you begin to understand the kind of Nigerian that person is saying. You see, when you hear those people, you will realize that they are birds of the same feather. Another person will say, oh, the poor cannot deliver the poor. We are not saying sell off your cars to be poor. They are only telling him, sell off that car. The car is nothing for you. You have too much, and you felt that the only thing I can do is to park automobiles in my living room. Dino Melaye has automobile in his living room. He built a special place inside of his living room for that automobile. What are we saying here? If you don't have extra that you can waste, you will never ever begin to do this. It's not just possible at all. It's not possible. It is because you have too much. That is why you end up doing this. An average person that is rich has money in his account, probably some stocks. They have some good automobiles. They have probably a private jet if they're businessmen and they have to fly around. They have out properties, that fetch them money. Probably have a factory, a company or something. But when you buy exotic cars, Lamborghini, different kinds, and you parade them all over your compound, you put them in your room, you put them everywhere, it shows that you have so much money, you don't even know what to do with the money. These criminals have failed to realize that for every naira you stole, you are killing the future of somebody somewhere. What is this saying? This is called ill-gotten wealth. I'm not talking of just Dino Melaye here. We have to point fingers at a lot of them. Some of them are bullion gang van, but in this case, we are talking about Dino Melaye. So I don't know what you guys, what your opinion is about this. If you are still part of those typical Nigerians waiting for your own opportunity to go in to steal, kill, and destroy, you will have a positive comment towards what he has said. But if you are a deep thinker, not someone that has his mind suspended, you will say the truth to yourself and realize that Dino Melaye is simply a fraud like every one of them. Dino Melaye is not the man of nobody. He's a man of himself. That's just what it is. So what do you guys think about this? Drop your comment in the section below.
I say a very big thank you to those who have taken time to subscribe to this channel. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly tap on that subscription button and also the red bell icon so you will be notified whenever videos such as this are uploaded.